You came in here last night. You reminded me, you know, we had a very sensible discussion here last night between two of your colleagues, Deputy Doherty and Deputy O'Snoddy, about green cards. They were mature, they were sensible, they were constructive, and I thought, as I said before you came in, and you were late here today again, I thought, as I said before you came in today, that what they were doing was something very constructive. We couldn't agree to what they were doing because it wasn't in our power, but they were representing their communities extraordinarily well. They were like thoroughbreds in a horse race. You came in as you normally do, and you're like a donkey at the last race, at the last fence.
Minister,
you upset the whole apple cart.
I would ask you to use parliamentary language. I don't think you should. Minister, hold on, Deputy.
If the Minister wants to be personal, if it masks his overall encounter.
Hold on, Deputy Doherty. Minister Doherty. Minister Doherty.
She's been personal.
Excuse me. Deputy Munster, please. Deputy Munster. Deputy Munster. Deputy Munster, please. I'll deal with this. I'll deal with this. Minister, as I told you, there's cooperation all around. I was in the chair for a long time yesterday. We've made progress, and I would ask you not to be inviting interruptions and use parliamentary language. And we have 21 minutes, so let's use the 21 minutes to answer the practical questions that were asked. Yeah,
but unfortunately, I just want to say this because it's important that we're constructive. I agree with you.
Yeah, but forget about the word donkeys and.
Well, it was just an analogy. It was a destruction of a very good argument. It was a destruction of a very good argument made by her colleagues. And as is so typical, she comes in and ruins the debate by making accusations and statements which are simply inaccurate.